Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be exploring interfaces. So now, what is an interface? An interface, it's a way that we can, let's say, create a guideline or a certain requirement to create a class inside our own program. Okay, so let's say that I want the student class to have some certain methods. Okay, and these methods should be implemented inside it. Okay, or like some certain properties that the student class need to have. Okay, so now let's go to add a new interface. Okay, so I will add a new item. You can select a class and we'll change the type later. Now notice that in general interfaces it starts its name with an I. Okay, and then we can specify the name of the interface. So I'm gonna say I requirement. Okay, so now first thing first, we need to change the access modifier and we need to also to call in the interface word. Okay, so now notice that the interface will not have any definition for its methods. Okay, we can just only define the method. Okay, and with no body of the method. Okay, so let's see that now. Let's say that we need to have a method of save data. Okay, now that save data method, okay, will not have right here, as you notice, we will not have like this, like a body statement. And as you notice, we have an error. Okay, we cannot declare a body for our own method. We just only declare its name. Okay, now also inside interfaces we can define some properties, but without the access modifier. But I would like to add a string, and let's say this is a type name. Okay, let me just change this, and we only need to remove the access modifier. Alright, so now you can have whatever number of methods and properties you would like to add to your interface. Now notice that whenever we implement the interface, let me go to this class right here. Okay, now I would like to add along with the inheritance, I want to add the interface. So I will go in the I requirement. Okay, now notice I'm getting an error because I'm not implementing the methods and the properties inside the I requirement interface. Okay, so now let's go back, let's implement the missing member, and as you notice we will have the property and the save data method. Okay, now notice with me something, that we have the property, we have the save data. Okay, we can now come over here and add whatever let's say action we need to have inside this save data. So I would like to say that the type name is equal new. Okay, and as you notice we just like a normal method, there are nothing difference. Okay, so now remember that you can implement multiple interfaces. Okay, you can have more than a certain interface to a class. Okay, and you need, of course, you cannot just like come over here and say save data one, you will still get an error. Okay, you need to implement this, the entire thing. Okay, now if you are wondering what the interface can be used to, it can be used to, let's say, to force your developer or programmer, okay, to have these properties inside their own defined class. Okay, so that is the, let's say, one of the main reason to use interfaces. I hope you find this lecture useful. Thank you for watching.